I'm stuck on this. I am definitely stuck on this. Take it off. Moisturize my face. I got my nails done, even though I messed it up.
Hello, look at your girl. A girl has done her hair.
Hey you, good morning. How are you? So this is a new vlog, and I guess I should say welcome to a new vlog. I have been MIA for the longest time. It was unplanned, it just happened, and that's basically because I have been so busy with work, so caught up with work. It's been so demanding the past couple of weeks. It's not been funny at all. Okay, we are preparing for an international conference, and it's been taking a lot from everybody involved, the whole team. And the position I occupy takes a lot, it demands a lot from me. Yeah, but it's gonna be over soon. I haven't been able to articulate my thoughts as I should. It's been overwhelming. It's just been a lot of mixed feelings, and sometimes I'm struggling to give definition to what I feel, right? And I'm also just recovering. I've been pretty sick for some time. It's basically stress, I know, but then I needed to treat malaria as well. And yeah, it's been it's been a lot to do. Okay, but then I'm preparing for a trip. So this is like a maintenance vlog. I have a trip next week. It's a work trip. I basically have to prepare for it. I want to first of all start with my hair. I got myself this. I already opened it, that's why it's not looking all. This is a simple straight ceramic straightening brush, right? So it's heated up, and so let's try. First of all, did you notice, or have you noticed, or do you notice that a girl has more length? A girl has more length. I've been really consistent with my clove and rosemary seed water and the oil as well. The results I'm seeing is just beautiful. Or maybe we should just dive in and do this. Let's see. So you're supposed to brush it in, and the heat is what straightens your hair. Let's see if this works. I hope it works. All right, let's brush it off. Guys, it looks like this is okay. Let's finish with one, right? Let's see how this one works. I think I'm stuck with this forever. Can you see? Wait. This is actually coming off better than I thought. Can this girl here just let me breathe? Come on. All right. Oh my god, guys, look at my hair. I'm stuck on this. I am definitely stuck on this. Like, this is beautiful. So this is basically for blowouts, right?
Hello, look at your girl. A girl has done her hair. All right, so I got my hair braided yesterday. I couldn't actually film anything yesterday because your girl has been stressed out. Like, I'm stressed out. Work is so stressful, right? I also got to do my nails. I'll show you when I move over there. It's for something else. But yeah, this is the hairdo. I wanted to just show you the back. This is how it is, and it's all knotless braids, you know, at the down part of it, and then the Ghana weaving or the Ghana braids at the front part of it. I just want something I can always pack up if I'm feeling hot, or maybe I just really don't want anything inconveniencing actually. Yeah, I want to carve my brows now. I have some shopping to do this afternoon. My trip is on Thursday, but I'm supposed to check into the hotel tomorrow, being Wednesday. And yeah, because I have a lot of responsibilities on my hands. So let me just do other things. I'm taking it with me over here. First of all, I want to also show you this. I got this my face moisturizer. This is just, it's still the same one I've been using, just that the last one finished. And then I also introduced a new serum, retinoid serum, to my skincare products. I don't use a lot of skincare products. So yeah, I have food. Yeah, I'm actually about to eat. This is spaghetti with chicken. So let's just work on my brows, right? My mirror is going to be here. My stomach is rumbling. It means I'm hungry. There's a rumble. Let's just clean it up. Now let's moisturize. This moisturizer also serves as a sunscreen. It has SPF up to 50, so it protects your skin as well as moisturizes your skin. I got my nails done, even though I messed it up. I messed up. I hate the nails. First of all, the lady that did it, I don't know what took me there, but she didn't do a great job, right? And it was like, you know how you don't even like your nails to the point you don't even care if it's dry or not. I just like this one is already, this happened that day. I honestly didn't care whether it was dry or not. I just thought let me just be going. So I would have to dermaplane tonight. You can see my facial hairs. Let's just quickly eat and then head out to buy what we need to buy. Nice. All right, let me just finish this up and go get some things. I'll see you later, okay? So I just arrived to the hotel. I'm currently lodged at Preskin Hotels in Ikeja GRA, and your girl is tired. I look a mess because I went to the office first of all to get some materials. That's the conference materials. Got an Uber to bring me over here. And then let's do a room tour, shall we? Now this is my box, my work bag. It has company's properties there as well. And that's the bed. I love the bed. I just love the bed. I think it's my favorite thing here. And then it has 2 chairs over there and a table. You can actually sit here to work. And it has this wardrobe and then the refrigerator down here, the television, and I think my favorite part is the balcony, right? So the balcony has, you know, a sit out, chairs and a table, just in case you want to sit here and not do anything. Okay, so let me give you a better view of my big bed, and I love it. That's what it looks like. Please don't mind that sound. Oh yeah, this is your beautiful girl here. This girl needs a vacation at this point, guys. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It has an LED mirror, even though I don't know if it works. Let's try it out, because some of these mirrors just, I don't think it works. It doesn't work. There's a sink, toilet, and then the bathroom. So yeah, this is it, and your girl is tired.
I'll use this, my razor blade, and I want to actually use this baby oil as well. So I'm done dermaplaning. I'm gonna go ahead to use this and rejuvenate my face. This is my black tissue charcoal detox facial mask. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna have this on for 20 minutes and I'll just take it off, moisturize my face, and go to bed. And I'm settled in. I need to go to bed now. My flight is for 3:30 p.m. It is currently 12 a.m. So I had to get some sleep. Hopefully I get enough sleep. I just really hope I do. But I intend to wake up because I need to eat. The room comes with a complimentary breakfast. So I need to wake up and get breakfast before 10 a.m. That's it. I plan to have fun as much as it is work related, but we have a tour day and I'm gonna end this vlog here because the next vlog will give you details of how my Rwanda trip went. Okay, so thank you for staying with me, and I have a lot of explanation to give to you guys when I'm back from Rwanda. But just know that I love you to the moon and back, and